In this tutorial of RF Guru, we're going to talk about the basic Intermod test. The Intermod test is when you've been given a system, and frequencies are already set, and you just want to check to see if you have an Intermod problem. Now, I can start out by simply going down here and typing a frequency that I have, and it puts it in. It's got my little auto-built system, which I could go back and put it in a group. So I could say this is my RF, and actually, let's say it's my Sennheiser packs, and it's possible I might want another group called RF ICOM, that's HME. I could have another RF group called Shure, if I'm using some Shure. So now I could select a certain system and add frequencies to that system. So let's say this is that frequency. We'll drop it in there for me. So I can build my wireless system just by typing frequencies in. And as you'll see, I've got my antenna length in here as I go through this and other information. But I'm just basically building a list of frequencies. I have 3 frequencies in my system right now, 6 calculations, no big deal. It's telling me I've added something to the system, so I should test it. So at this point, if I click this, I can run the Intermod checker, and it's going to check for 2 transmitter third order problems only. I run my checker, and I'll uncut to reset everything. And when I'm done, I have 3 good frequencies. That's the basic Intermod test. Now I'll set something so that it messes up a little bit, and we'll see how that looks. And put that in, that frequency in there, and frequency there. It needs to be tested again. I got 5 frequencies, and let's run the Intermod checker. So now that I've run the test, I have 3 good frequencies, but I put 5 in. So if I go back to my system, I can open this up, and it shows me, this one has a problem. If I open this up, it says, well, there's a problem between this and this. It's a fundamental problem. It's not even an intermod. It's just too close to another frequency in your system. So, so from doing a basic intermod test, I can find out if my system is in good shape or not, or if there are any problems. And the reason you would need the basic Intermod test is because you're running a show, someone else has coordinated your frequencies, and you're hearing weird noises every once in a while in your show, and you want to test to see if, hey, this weird noise is caused by Intermod, or the reason I'm getting strange interference is because of I'm using the wrong frequencies.